So you've been oiling your hair for years, but your hair still breaks, your scalp still itches, and the growth is not just growing. Let me tell you a secret. It's not the oil that is failing you, it's how you've been using it. Most people think oiling means just pouring oil on dry hair and sleeping with it overnight, but that's one of the biggest mistakes you can make. In this video, I will show you how to oil your hair the right way to actually see growth, shine, and thickness. Trust me, if you've never had it explained like this. Oiling is one of the oldest and most powerful hair care secrets, especially in African culture. Our grandmothers did it to protect their hair from dryness, the sun, and even breakage. But today, with so many products and routines, we've forgotten how to oil the right way. Oils act like a shield. It locks in moisture, nourishes the scalp, and strengthens your hair from root to tip. The key is not just the oil itself, but how you use it. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes people make when oiling their hair. Number 1, applying oil on dirty hair or scalp. The oil will only trap dirt and block your pores. Number 2, using too much oils. Your scalp doesn't need to swim in it. A few drops, massage it in well enough. And number 3, leaving heavy oils overnight without washing them off. That can clog your pores and even cause dandruff or hair shedding. You see, hair oil is not just about applying oil, it's about understanding your scalp and hair type. Here is how I oil my hair, as you can see properly. First, I warm my herbals in a little, not hot, just to make it warm enough to activate the nutrients. Then I part the hair into sections and apply the oil directly on my scalp, not just the hair strands. I use my fingers, not the nails, to massage it gently. This increases blood flow and wakens up hair follicles. Once I'm done, I cut my hair with a satin bonnet or plastic scarf for about 30 to 45 minutes. This helps the oil penetrate better. Then I wash it off with a mild shampoo or co-wash. Doing this once or twice a week is enough to see visible results. I used to oil my hair the wrong way too, just pouring oil and thinking I was doing something. But once I learned how to do it properly, I noticed less breakage, more shine, and my hair felt alive again. You don't need expensive oils or complicated routines, just consistency and the right method. Your hair doesn't need more product, it needs more care. So now that you know the truth about hair oiling, how do you oil your hair? Drop a comment below and let's talk about your hair favorite oil. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. Remember, it's not the oil, it's the method. Take care of your crown because you deserve healthy, beautiful hair. A quick backstory: I made that hair cream from the scratch. If you want to see the video of how I make my herbal hair oil, please comment in the comment section, and the next video will just be how I make my hair oils using natural Ayurvedic herbs. So this is how I continued applying it from the root down to the tip. I make sure that not too much oil, but then every section of the hair has a minimum amount of oils that I can massage it through the scalp. So this is the right way you can oil your hair, not just putting oils on dirty scalp. It will clog in to be dirty and itchy at the same time. So this is it. Massage it deep down into your scalp and make sure that everything has infused into your hair. Then you can decide to bonnet it on, you can decide to close it up, or you can just decide to leave it like that. So this is how I oil my hair. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more interesting content. And if you've noticed a change on the channel name, this is because we are strictly dealing with hair and everything hair care tips, all hair growth back on this channel. So this is the new channel's name, Hair Bloom with Adaz. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Continue watching.